Okay, so how to use a protractor. First of all, there are a lot of virtual protractors, or if you type in protractor app, you'll be able to get some that you can use right on your screen. I'm a big hands on person, so I kind of enjoy doing it. So I'm going to explain it here and then demo it. Um, at the top of this page, they're showing you that this is where the vertex would line up. If you already had an angle drawn, you would line it up in the center point or the center where it equals 0 on both sides, so that one of your rays is going through a number 0. On protractors, they have two sets of numbers. There will be a 0 on the inside and a 0 on the outside. So pay attention to which direction it is pointing and make sure that the bottom ray is aimed at the 0. Okay. The other ray will extend through a number. And if I'm using the inside set of 0 here, then I would use the inside numbers. And this other ray is pointing at 100. So this is a 100-degree angle or an obtuse angle. Okay. At the bottom of this sheet, you'll find out again that if you had a ray pointing to this side, you'd use the outside set of numbers. And on the outside set of numbers, as you're coming around from 0 all the way up to 130, where the other ray is, so this angle is an obtuse 130-degree angle. And then again, we gave you one more example. This time it's an acute angle. Inside set of numbers, this one's pointing at 0 and this one's going to 40. Okay, so now as a demonstration of how this works, if I was going to draw an angle, okay, first thing I would do is I would put a little vertex right at the tip. Okay, this has 0 right on the edge and 180 on this side of it. So I would use the straight edge of my protractor to draw my first ray. And then I would line that up again. Okay, and go ahead and let's say I wanted to make a 75-degree angle. Well, the outside set of numbers is the 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and I said 75. There is a line halfway extended there. I just put a little tick mark off the end of it so that I can use, again, the straight edge to connect the vertex with the end of where I want my ray at. And I have created an angle, which I will then label with 75 degrees. And there's the 75-degree symbol on there. So again, that is how to use a protractor to draw, and also a great way of how to measure angles that are already labeled for you. So again, if I was just going to lay this down to actually check and see if I was correct, I would line up this center point on there with the vertex, making sure that the ray was touching 0, and then making sure that as it extended out, it was on, 75 using the outside set of numbers. Okay, so easy way to check. And there are multiple types of protractors, so you're going to have to check your specific one to see how that works.